Hello guys, today we'll be studying with the third method of measures of dispersions, that is mean deviation. We have solved problems under range and interquartile range. Today we'll be starting with mean deviation. Now let's understand the meaning of mean deviation. They say it is also known as average deviation because arithmetic mean is used in the calculations of mean deviations. In simple terms, mean deviation is again the subtype of arithmetic mean. You know why do we calculate mean? It's to identify the averages. This arithmetic mean will give you one value out of the group of values. So they again say this is an improved means of measuring the dispersions. Dispersions or variability is how many variables, varieties of variables are there in the given observation, because it can be found out by both mean and median. So quite important topic this is. They will be asking this for 6 marks. They may ask you to identify mean deviation under either mean or median. So again, this mean deviation can be calculated under the three methods, that is individual observation, discrete series and continuous series. The formula, now we are just studying mean deviation under individual observation method. The formula for this is mean deviation is equals to sigma mod d divided by small n. Here this symbol next to d, which I have written, that is called as mod. The mod meaning is sometimes when you total the column of this d, you may even get a negative value. So to ignore that signs, we are using this mod. Whereas n is equals to number of observations under individual method. So how do you identify mod d? X minus x bar. So this mod is used to just ignore the signs. The next formula is coefficient of mean deviation, that is mean deviation whatever you have identified here divided by mean or median, whichever method that is being asked in the question. The formulas for mean under individual observation method is sigma x divided by n, discrete is sigma fx divided by capital N, continuous series sigma fm, m is nothing but of x, so I have even written here, or sigma fx divided by n. So the formulas for median is m is equals to size of n plus 1 divided by tooth term. This formula is used under individual observation. For discrete series, m is equals to size of n plus 1 divided by tooth term. For this discrete series, you are again supposed to identify the cumulative frequency less than. The formula of median under continuous is m is equals to size of n by tooth term. The continued formula is m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency of preceding divided by frequency into C. Okay, let's just enter into the problems. See, I am solving the problem under individual observation method. The question is calculate mean deviation by using mean. So the question is only this much. They've given you the x values 14, 24, 32, 46, 52, 75, 80. Only this is the question. So for mean deviation under individual observation, you all know, first we have to identify mean. The formula for mean for individual observation is x bar is equals to sigma x divided by n. So what is the n? Number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equals to 7. So sigma x total of this x is 326. Therefore 326 divided by 7, you get 46.57, that is approximately 47. The next column is I have to now identify mean deviation. The formula for mean deviation is sigma mod d divided by n. So I know already the n, I have to identify mod d. How do you do that? Mod d is equals to x minus x bar. X bar here is, you have already identified, 47. So x bar is 47. This 47 should be deducted under all these values. 47 minus 14, 33. 47 minus 27, 20. 47 minus 32, 15. 47 minus 46, 1. 47 minus 52 is 5. 47 minus 75 is 28. Again 47 minus 80 is 33. See, sometimes here you may even get minus symbol. Those symbols should be ignored. That is the reason we are using this mod symbol. So the total of this column is 135. Now simplify this formula. Mean deviation is equals to the sigma mod d is 135 divided by n is 7. Mean deviation is 19.28. The third formula to be used is identifying coefficient of mean deviation. Formula is mean deviation divided by mean. So what is the answer of mean deviation? 19.28 divided by mean is 47. So when you do that division, you get 0.41. That's all with the calculations of mean deviation asked under individual observation under mean. The only important thing under this is you have to remember these formulas. Now, what if the same mean deviation under individual observation asked to solve by using median? So, the formula of median is m is equals to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So, this is the question. X column is the question. This is the answer that I have written. Now, let's derive the formula. M is equals to size of n is, the number of observation n is 7. So, 7 plus 1 divided by 2th term. M is equals to size of 7 plus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4th term. So, 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4. 46. So, therefore, median value is 46. Now, the formula. We have to identify mean deviation. The formula is sigma mod d divided by n. Now, I have to identify sigma mod d. If it was a mean, I used to write x minus x bar. Since it's a median, I am writing it as x minus m. M I have already found out, 46. So, this 46 needs to be deducted under all the values of observations. 46 minus 14, 32. 46 minus 27, 19. 46 minus 32, 14. 46 minus 46 is 0. Again, it goes on. So, after deducting all the values, you need to do the total of this column where you will be getting 134. Now derive the formula. 134 divided by n is 7. You get 19.14. The last step is identifying coefficient of mean deviation. The formula is mean deviation divided by median. If it was mean, I used to write it as x. Since it's median, I am writing it as m. So 19.14 divided by median, that is 46. This is how you need to solve the mean deviation under individual observation. Let them ask you to solve by using mean formula or median formula. Thank you.